All right. So how many are we on part? I think we were 6, right? May isang hindi sumali. Anyway, so can you guys see my screen? I think naka-share now. Yeah. So let's talk about this one first before your comment, Mr. Jin Alexis. So do you guys play Mobile Legends? Only one? Okay, so Mr. Macabio doesn't play. How about you, Mr. Eisel? You don't play also?
Ano, 2 season na akong 'di naglalaro.
I see. So parang nag-quit ka na ba? Anyway, so I hope the others will be able to watch this one since this one is recorded anyway. So the we're going to have a tryout, okay, of the Mobile Legend on October 5. So if you're interested to represent the the Mobile Legend team of UC, so please do message me before that one. Okay, so we can arrange a fight. So para lang makita, hindi naman kahit panalo or talo, sa makita ko lang siguro. And then we will finalize everything after October 5, and then uh, we will you know use that team or sila kung ano man yung ma-finalize nating team. Okay, so yun yung magre-represent mismo ng UC. Okay, since the actual Mobile Legend tournament will be on October 16. So parang merong 11 days na practice kung sino man yung mapipili doon. Okay. So rank doesn't matter. So kung ano man yung rank mo ngayon, okay lang yun. So if you're interested, please do join this tournament. And one more thing that you guys need to worry once you've chosen as a player. Okay, so there will be a registration, okay, for a membership which is 250 pesos, and then a registration fee per group, so buong group na yon, which is 500 pesos. Okay, so don't you guys worry. I think there is a pot money or a reward who's ever going to win. And I think nakita nyo naman na yung post ni Sir Tendingan. So these are the other universities that you'll be competing with. So we have Lagabe Campus, Pocha Campus, Kalinga State University, and University of Baguio. So there will be 5 universities who will be competing with those 4 events. So kung interesado ka sa Mobile Legends, so ako yung i-PM nyo kasi ako yung nakatoka dito sa pag-recruit or sa paghanap ng magre-represent ng UC. And if you're interested in quiz bowl, pitching, or programming, so please do message Sir Tendingan or Ma'am Karen or Ma'am Tere. So silang tatlo kasi yung nandito. So hindi ko na alam kung sino yung specific instructor who is in charge with this 3. But yeah, just ask them. Okay. So are you interested, Mr. Eisel?
Mobile Legends, sir.
Yes. Or kahit ano, kahit sa, hindi naman sa Mobile Legend lang. Eh, baka gusto mo sumali ng pitching or programming or peaceful. So, sali lang kayo. And then one more thing, yeah, I think, according sa meeting namin, you can only join one event. Hindi pwedeng sasali ka ng peaceful, sasali ka pa ng Mobile Legend. Though, if you want, you can confirm that one maybe to certain lingan. Kasi, magkaka-separate naman yung dates nila. So I think it's possible. October 16, 23, and then 11. So hindi naman sabay-sabay in 1 day or in 2 days. So actually parang in 3 weeks. Okay, so 3 weeks event ito. Okay, so let me just read the question, the comment of Mr. Jean Alexis. So never mind dun sa kanina, sir. Ano makakabili ng mga gamit like breadboard, yung isang main shop ng panandun sa pabit ng bansa. When it comes to basic components like one kit, yung isang kit pa, parang iniisip mo. So, since magbe-breadboard ka na din lang, why not expand that one into an Arduino kit? Okay.
Except
So,
sir, except online sa mga Shopee or Lazada ganun. Yung mismong physical store, National Bookstore or ganun or
merong isa dito sa Session Road. Ano pa ang pangalan? Kasi pagtatanong, nasa loob kasi siya ng building, nasa ikatlong floor pa nga yata. Teka lang, alalahanin ko. May Facebook page sila. Dun ako umorder. Pero may nagturo lang din kasi sa akin, kaya pumunta na ako dun physically. Okay, so wait a second. Yun yung isang alam ko. Okay? Yung iba, I think wala silang kit. Pero meron dito sa harap ng SLU. Maraming mga electronic shop doon. Lalo na yung isa talaga, yung tapat na tapat talaga. Katabi lang nun is kainan siya. May milk tea rin doon. Tapos yun na yung mismo. Tapos katabi rin nun is parang second hand motor shop. Okay. So meron doon. Or magtanong ka lang, basta sa harapan ng SLU dito. Okay. So, hindi ko mahanap yung pangalan. Okay. Anyway, so yung isa doon, kasi mag-demo. Alright, alam mo yung yung St. Joseph Drugstore sa left side kapag papataas ka ng Session Road.
yes sir, apo.
After ng St. Joseph, merong building doon na papataas. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng building, pero yun. Okay. So, dalawa yung pasukan doon. So, mag-road tayo. Ito yung papataas. Okay. Ito yung St. Joseph Drugstore. Nasa left side mo. Kung maglalakad ka dito, di ba? Kung walkway to. Okay. Merong building dito na malaki. And then maraming stall dyan sa baba. Huwag mo nang pansinin. Meron yung building na ay may hagdanan sila na papasok dito. So, buong building yan. I think third floor yun or second floor. Nandun mismo. And one more hint is after netong building na to is kalimutan ko yung pangalan ng street na papasok dito. Pero ito yung dating Bohemian, yon, Bohemian. So pwede ka rin pumasok dito. May stair din sila dito sa either of those. Tanungin mo lang kung saan po ba yung nagtitinda ng mga Arduino kit, mga ganun. So I think it's 1519 yata, ganun. Depende sa inclusion na meron doon. So yeah, it's a little bit expensive since set na siya.
Mas mura nga sa sir, sa online, kaso nga lang
Mas mura
nakakatakot
talaga
kasi sa online.
So, I think nandito pa yung sa akin. Ito. So, depende naman yun sa inclusion. Hindi mo nga alam makita kasi. Teka lang, tanggalin ko yung background. Ano ko. So, madami naman siyang kasama. Background and filters. How to remove this one? Ayun. Okay. So, medyo malabo pa rin kasi gamit yung camera lang ng laptop yung gamit ko. Pero yeah, you have here the Arduino and then yung breadboard. Baba ko na lang. So, yan naman yung mga kit na kasama. So, medyo madami-dami naman. May 8. Kita mo ba to? May, to.
7 segments, sir.
Yeah, 7 segment. Meron ding mga, so hindi ko pa natatry yung iba. So, nakalimutan ko na nga. Meron tayong LM2596 for DC to DC converter. And yeah, madami. Meron pang joystick dito. Wherein I think this one is made. Meron kasi sila mga iba-ibang specialties. Like if you want to make a robotic arm. Okay. So specifically,
Kamusta naman yung sir, durability nila?
Okay naman. As of now, na-test ko sila lahat before. I think okay pa rin siya ngayon since naka-stock lang naman dito. So, ginamit ko siya for 2 years kasi binili ko to nung 3rd year college ako. And yeah, okay pa rin naman hanggang ngayon. Lalo na tong Arduino since yeah, still looks like new. Parang bagong-bago pa rin. Bumili lang ako ng case kasi syempre para mas maprotektahan.
Dami talaga naming na-miss out, sir, kapag online
Yeah,
class.
that's true. So, sobrang dami yung na-miss ngayong face-to-face. What about you, Mr. Aizel? Di ba 3rd year ka na ngayon? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
May kwan ka ba? May subject ba kayong na gumawa kayo ng projects about Arduino?
Pero wala pa po. Ay, next time ko paano makukuha yun?
Next sem pa. So, hindi ko na kasi masyadong gamay yung bagong curriculum ngayon. And ang mga nagtuturo kasi ng mga, alam nyo na, yung mga higher year courses, Ma'am Tere, certainly nga, and then Ma'am Karen. So, hindi ko alam kung sino magtuturo nun. But before, when our time, it's Sir Castillo. So, hindi ko alam kung kilala nyo siya. So, si Sir Jonathan Castillo. Ano ma-explain ko mismo? So, yeah, we have a lot of ang tawag dito, parang short project. Meron dati. I think meron pa nga ako dito eh. So, if you want, you can, or I can send this one to you, Mr. Jean Alexis.
Yes, sir.
So, parang, kung lang to, for basic ideas about Arduino. So yan, kapag meron ka nito mga components, so I think meron naman na to lahat sa kit. Yan, meron na ring mga yan, LED, ang tawag dito, LCD display. We have servo motor, okay, temperature sensor, etc. So pag meron ka ng mga yan, magagawa mo na tong 15 projects. And then dito na rin yung step by step na kung paano sila gamitin or i-set up using this Arduino application. So kung paano sila program, we have 2 parts, void setup and then the void loop. So yan. And then kung paano siya ilagay mismo sa computer, so dapat COM4. Okay, I think meron tayong 4 na COM dito. So pwedeng COM1 to, pwedeng COM2, 3, or 4. Depende sa configuration ng sa ano mo na to, hardware and devices. So I think di yata pinakita dito yon. Where is that one? Device manager pala. Device. So meron kang part dito. Though pwede mo namang i-search sa YouTube kung hindi mo mahanap. Itong part na to yan. So sa akin, COM3. So, depende kung ano yung COM na lalabas dito. So, after mo isaksak yung Arduino, install mo lang to or update mo lang. Automatic naman siya mag-i-install eh. And then, you can now start. So, ito yung parang mga kakailanganin mo for this, ano ba to? So, itetest mo pa lang yung Arduino mo mismo. So, wala pang breadboard. So, dinirekta mismo dito sa pin, ground, and then 13. And then, ito yung mga project steps, etc. etc. So, medyo kompleto naman siya. And then, if you want to test this one using a breadboard instead of the ground and then pin 13, so gagamit ka na ng wire mismo. So, yeah, mag-uumpisa ka mismo sa mga basic talaga. And then, hanggang sa gagamit ka na ng push button, maybe to light this one up. Okay. And then, the connectivities with one resistor. Okay. And then with the use of potentiometer now to slowly light up and then dim one that's LED. So alam niyo naman siguro gamit ng potentiometer, di ba? Nakita mo na ba yan? Sturgeon Alexis. How about you, Mr. Aizal? I think, or Mr. Mark Angelo or Mr. Macabio? I think na-mention ko na to before, potentiometer. So, ito. Parang ganito. Ito yung meron tayo na nabibili dyan sa tabi-tabi. Ito kasi hindi ko alam kung meron tayo nito. Oops, ito. Itong ganitong klase ng potentiometer. It's like you need a screw. But yeah, and then fade and LED. Okay, scrolling LED, bar graph, multiple LEDs, RGB LED. So, ito, one LED lang to. Yung nabibili lang din mismo dyan na RGB LED with 4 pins. And then photoresistor, temperature sensor, tone melody, using a servo motor, okay, and another motor. And then, how to set up an LCD screen. And yan, ang lang. So this one is for pure beginners lang. Yung mga basic components lang na meron tayo kapag bumili ka ng kit. So, depende na kung ano yung mga kakailanganin mo. Okay, and maybe you can search more on the internet on how to use that component. So, yun, napakaraming idea dyan actually. So, if you're interested with Arduinos, maraming groups. Actually, araw-araw nakakita ko ng mga Arduino projects dito sa ano ko, Facebook ko. So, hindi ko lang pinapansin kasi hindi na ako nag-Arduino ngayon. But yeah, so just join this one maybe, Arduino RPI automation. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung page na like ko nakikita. May mga may mga projects silang pinopost dito like robot. Parang ano na to eh. So, sabi naman dito robot training kit. So, hindi naman robotic arm. Parang Lego yung mga ginamit na iba. And then the others were just servo motors and then yung mga ibang additional pa. And halo-halo na dito. So hindi na rin pure Arduino only. Anyway, marami pang groups dyan na makakatulong sa'yo if you want to explore about Arduinos. Okay? So, ngayon talaga is everything is online. So, mahirap yung mga hardware parts na yan. So, mga websites, mga applications, ganun yung mga karamihan ngayon. So, wala muna mga hardware projects. Anyway. So, yeah. What about Mr. Bautista? I think he also plays Mobile Legend, right, Mr. Aizel?
Yes, sir, naglalaro siya.
Hanggang ngayon?
Ewan ko lang po.
Okay, so sabihin mo sa kanya. Okay, so kailangan natin ng players before October 5. So please encourage your other ICPEP, okay, or CPE, hindi pala ICPEP, CPE classmates. So dapat computer engineering lang sasali since this one is an ICPEP event. Okay. So
Or ano, kung estudyante mo sila Carl Dayag,
Sila Dayag. Ano bang, hindi ko kasi sila, student yata ngayon. I think third year na ba sila ngayon?
ka-age, ay ka-ano lang namin sila, kasabayan.
Okay, so pakisabi na lang sa mga ibang higher year kasi yung handle ko ngayon is first year and second year students. Siyempre, yung Math 100 and then electronics lang. Then the rest, sa iba na, si Ma'am Karen, si Ma'am Tere, and then si Sir Lion. Okay? So, tell them that if they're interested, please message me on my Canvas or here in my Facebook account. So the same with you, Mr. Jean Alexis. And I think Mr. Tanikala also plays, but Mr. Macapio doesn't play. Kung di ako nagkakamali, gaya kanina. Okay. So, yeah. Yun lang naman yung gusto kong sabihin regarding with this event. Okay. So, any other concerns or clarification so far?
None, sir.
None. All right, so that's it. This is already our last meeting, so we won't be meeting next week anymore. So the coverage of your final exam is, of course, all of the modules in finals. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then advance. Good luck to your final exam. Okay, next week. All right, so you're pala na, and goodbye, and thank you guys for coming as always. And keep safe.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.